And today we are looking at a drone by UranHub. That's right, this is a nice little 4K drone. You get 2 batteries, which is going to give you a total of 30-minute flight time. It's got headless mode, it's got waypoint flying. It even uses 5G to talk from the drone back to the controller, so your video is nice and clear and not delayed. You get a lot for your buck with this little guy right here. Let's open him up. I'm going to show him to you, and then we're going to put him in the sky and give him a test. So let's get to it. All right, here he is right here. You get a nice little quick start card. Inside you're going to have not one charger but 2, so you can charge both batteries at once. How cool is that? You're going to get the prop guards in case you wanted to fly indoors, or if you were flying in areas where you need to be protective of people. You also get 2 battery packs, as I said. This is what they look like right here. Very cool. Your controller is right here. It pops up like this to give you some nice handholds, like so. Then this flips up. You can mount your phone in here, and just a overall very cool little controller. All the buttons are nice and labeled, so you know exactly what every button does. For instance, you can adjust your speed up here. You can start and stop recording here. You can activate or turn off GPS here. You have some little LED indicators inside here that let you know what mode you're in. And it's got these nice little chrome knobs. Now this drone is a nice little flyer. I have already flown it. But what I like about it is it's super light, and it is foldable, just like so. And check him out. It folds out pretty good, right? Take that off. Get a good idea. You got your little tiltable camera right here in the front. Now the camera is fixed, so once you set it, you forget it. So you can pick your angle before you take off. But that's no big deal because this thing flies very smoothly. And then also, you're going to get a full manual, and they're going to give you some extras too, which include propellers, propeller nuts, just all these goodies, and even a little bit of screwdriver there for working on your drone. So very nice little setup. But I think what we need to do is we're going to take this, we're going to bring it outside, we're going to go for a little flight and see what kind of footage you can expect from this drone. So let's do it. So what do you guys think of the footage that we collected? How do you think this little drone performed? Now, just to go over some quick specs from this drone, You can fly up to 720 feet away. You can go 390 feet up with it. 400 is the max for drones. You do get 2 of the lipos, and you do get 15 minutes of runtime per lipo. The controller itself is rechargeable, so you don't need to buy batteries for either. It has features like it flies by GPS, it can return to home. You have headless mode. When you put it in headless, what that means is no matter which direction the drone is facing, if you push the stick away, it goes away, and if you pull the stick back, it comes back, irregardless of the direction the drone is facing. So that's nice for beginners, so you don't get lost. You can always bring your drone back. It does have return to home because it is a GPS, so if you lose sight of it, you're not sure where it's at, hit the home button, your baby's coming back to you. Baby, come back. It also has cool features as well, such as gesture controls to start and stop the camera. You can look on the maps and you can actually set waypoints and send the drone, and the drone will actually hit all those points and then come back to you, which is very cool as well. And it's actually, for the price, it's actually a very good little drone. Excellent for the beginner. Now this is going to weigh more than 250 grams, so you don't have to have a license to fly it or a certification, but you will have to register this with the FAA website, and it's only going to cost you $5 and 2 minutes of your time. It's not a big deal. It's just best to be safe than sorry. Respect your local laws. Don't get yourself in trouble. You can have fun with these. Just don't be dumb. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.